Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Wohler. If you've done an organic acids test from Great Plains Laboratory, perhaps maybe another company's organic acid test, you'll see on the test certain markers for Candida and Clostridia. So what's the difference? What's the difference between Candida and Clostridia? Well, Candida is a yeast. And yeast are normal inhabitants to some degree of our digestive system. Yeast fall under the biological group of a fungus. And the yeast, like Candida, can produce different types of chemicals that can affect autistic individuals in an odd way. It can create imbalances in the brain and nervous system that can lead to behavioral problems, usually goofiness, giddiness, silliness, inappropriate laughter, high self-stimulatory behavior, emotional behavior, for example, is often associated with high yeast levels or high Candida levels. Now, typically to treat Candida, you're using antimicrobials. Many of these are botanical remedies or certain medications called antifungals like nystatin or diflucan or Sporanox. Clostridia is a bacteria. Now, we can actually have certain levels of Clostridia in our digestive system normally as well. So not all Clostridia is pathogenic, for example. But there are certain strains or certain species of Clostridia that can be quite problematic. So Clostridia difficile, for example, can be a very pathogenic form of Clostridia. And the Clostridia themselves can also produce toxins that can affect behavior. Now, typically, if you compared a Candida problem to a Clostridia problem, Clostridia can often lead to aggression, self-injurious behavior, very irritable type behavior, but it can also manifest as emotional instability as well. Now, that's not to indicate that every single individual with autism who has Clostridia is going to have self-injury or aggression, or that every individual with autism who has intestinal yeast detected off of an organic acid test is automatically going to have high self-stimulatory behavior or inappropriate laughter, but many do. So when it comes to Clostridia bacteria, those are treated either with antibiotics, like Flagyl, for example, or botanicals. Now, many of the botanical remedies can be effective against both Clostridia as well as Candida. So sometimes botanical remedies often can be used in both areas, particularly if both are occurring at the same time. But one is a bacteria, that's the Clostridia, and another is a yeast or a fungus, that would be Candida. So for more information about biomedical intervention for autism or questions about autism intervention, you can go to autismrecoverysystem.com, which is a membership website that I have where people can join and post questions directly to me. Or you can contact me directly through my office for private consultation as well. And that would be scmedicalcenter@gmail.com. Thank you.